she usually has something after.
Ito bagong harvest, yung bell pepper, saka syempre spring onion. Ito orange, binili lang yan, yung pomelo or sunkist. So ibang klase itong mapapanood nyo mga kapatid. Yung iba na nagluluto ay hindi ganito, pero iibahin natin. Ito, instead nagagamit tayo ng calamansi or lemon juice, gagamit tayo ng orange. Kasi yung ibang nagluluto ng beef or pork steak ay gumagamit ng calamansi or lemon juice. Kung wala kayong lemon juice, okay na ito. At saka naglalagay sila ng sugar. Matamis na po yan, kaya hindi na tayo gagamit ng sugar. Pwede tayong gumamit ng isa o dalawang malaki na yung orange. So ayan, hihiwain ko na yung sili.
I have no idea. Does she? I don't do fried. We don't do fried pork for.
I mean, we can, but I don't want to. I don't want that to be part of our.
They're gonna keep asking us if we do that.
Exactly. That's onwards.
Dalawang slice para sa mushroom. Ito yung pinatabi ng anak ko dun sa gagawin ko sanang pork steak. Ito ilalagyan niya ng mushroom. Marinade for an hour. Lagyan natin ng olive oil. Diyan natin ipiprito yung pork. we have to fry at least 3 minutes both sides. Into medium heat. So after 3 minutes, ito na, we have to fry the other side. As I said, just medium heat. So after 3 minutes, okay na yan. Yeah, so we have to remove the excess oil. Mahirap kasi yung too much oil. Yan po, bali dalawang spoon ang inalit natin. And then ilagay na po natin yung sobrang pinagmarinidan. Yan po. Ano nga pala yan, yung soy sauce na yan, 4 na tablespoon na light soya sauce at saka 1 dark soy sauce. And then balik ta rin natin. Hayaan lang natin na 1 minute para ma-absorb yung marinade. Pagkatapos, we have to add 1.5 cup of water. And then cover, simmer for 45 minutes. But we have to check every 10 minutes to make sure it doesn't get dry. We can put water if needed. So balikan natin after 10 minutes. The other side. Balik ta rin natin. Cover up. After 45 minutes. Ayan. Tamang-tama lang. So, we have to try cook the pork with the pork. So, it's go all the way. So, meaning, it's already tender. So, now, nagda-dry na, so we can add a little bit water. And then we have to add the bell pepper from the backyard. Ibang klase ito. Ito yung ating it's my own version. First time nyo siguro mapanood ito na ang pork steak or beef steak with bell pepper. And then we have to cover for 5 minutes. It's still medium heat. After 5 minutes, the bell pepper already tender, so we have to put the onion. Kailangan maraming sibuyas. This is the way how to cook the pork steak or beef steak. Yan po yung white onion. Yan. Maporma Yan. And then gagamit pa rin tayo ng ito naman shallot. Para siyang red onion siya, pero ang tawag dito ay shallot. Po, daming sibuyas. Oh. Pag naluto naman yan, liliit na yan. And then, kukuberan natin ng 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, smell good. So, lagyan natin ng, we have to add orange juice. Instead na sugar, orange juice. So, bali pangalawa na ito kasi sa marinade, isinama ko na yung una. Tikman natin. Wow. Mapapawaw kayo talaga. Isa pa, yung kalate. Yun. At ang huli, sprinkle the spring onion. So ayan, luto na ang ating pork but boneless steak at my own version. Cooking time is 1 hour. Preparation of ingredients is 25 minutes. So total time is 1 hour 25 minutes. Now, if you enjoy watching my own version how to cook pork steak, please don't forget to like and comment. And if you are not updated yet, please don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated for the incoming videos. Bye-bye na po. And of course, thumbs up.